Hi there pluggers, I've Sore Fingers again with you. That was my take on George Harrison's Soft Touch, which I'm about to show you how to play. Okay, I am in standard tuning, but as you can see I have a capo probably on fret 5, okay, if you've counted my frets. Fret 5 for my version of this song. If you want to play along with George Harrison, move the capo up to fret 7 and play exactly what I'm about to show you, and you'll be in tune, I think, with George Harrison. The reason I'm using fret 5 with this song and this guitar, I find it more comfortable for me to play with the capo on fret 5, purely my own comfort. Okay, so without more to do, what you saw then was the intro, a couple of verses and a chorus. And then basically everything after that is repeated, verses and choruses, okay? So you'll have everything there that's in the song, okay? So let's start off with the intro I played. It starts off with a D with a suspended fourth, so you put your pinky on the old top E string on the 3rd fret from the capo, okay? And you strum down the whole chord, take the pinky off and play the 2nd fret of the top E string, okay? Then the open top E string, so then the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, 1st fret of the 2nd string, the B string, then open 2nd string. So far. Then you play the 2nd fret of the G string, 3rd string, and then the open 3rd string, G string. Okay, so what you got there is this. Okay, again slowly. Then you play a G chord. However you wish to play it, like that or like that, okay? And you do a couple of strums on that. So you've got this now then. And then what you do then is you play this little bit. First, then you play the open 2nd string, B string, then the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, the G string, 4th fret of the D string, the 4th string, so it's, and then the D chord again. It's a nice single strum, okay? So far we've got this. Once more slowly. Okay, and then to finish this bit off we go. So I'm playing the 3rd fret of the A string, the 5th string, and then down to the 2nd fret of the A string, the 5th string, open D string, 4th string, open 3rd string, G string, and then a G chord strum. So you've got that. Okay? And that's the end of the first part of the intro. So the whole thing, this part of the intro is okay, then we move on to the next bit, okay? This is the bit that goes, this is the bit that goes, that bit, that sort of, what I'm doing with this bit is I'm doing palm muting, okay? So I'm putting this edge of my hand, resting that near the bridge, just very lightly on the strings, the edge of the back end of my hand there, just resting very lightly, and you end up with this thuddy, bassy, thuddy sort of, right? That bit. If If you want to play it normally, please do, but I think that's probably the better sound for it. Okay, so what I'm doing there is I'm playing the 2nd fret of the 4th string, the D string, then open 4th string, then the 4th fret of the A string, the 5th string, from the 4th fret from the capo on the A string. So you've got, and then you do quick two hits on the 3rd fret from the capo on that 5th string. So we got it, and then we go to the end up on that 2nd fret of the A string, just one hit. Okay, so bum bum bum, got that? Got that bit. Okay, so 2nd fret, 4th string, open 4th string, 4th fret from the capo on the 5th string, and then 2 hits on the 3rd fret from the capo on the A string, and then a single hit on that 2nd fret on the A string, 5th string. So far the intro is like this. As far as we got, yeah. Then what we do is we come back up from open 5th string, open 5th string, 2nd fret 5th string, 3rd fret 5th string, to the 2nd fret on the 4th D string, on the D string on the 2nd fret. Okay, and then a little bit of a mini pause, and then we play the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, the G string. So got that? So it's got so far. Okay, that's as far as we got. And then finally we form a sort of like a C major 7th, so it's the 3rd fret of the 5th string and the 2nd fret of the 4th string, and we just arpeggiate down from 5 down to 2, or again palm muted, okay, thuddy, okay? And we hit that B string, the 2nd string, twice. So you work down 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, back to 3, to the G string. And that's the whole muted bit, and then we repeat the whole muted bit again. Okay, so you do this bit, you do that whole thing twice, and that's the end of the intro. Okay, so let me just go through the intro slowly, completely, okay? I was thinking too much there, and that's it. So that whole muted bit is played twice, and then we go into the song itself, and we repeat the intro to the classic iconic intro bit. To a G chord, you're a soft touch, babe, and that when you get to G, you're a soft touch to the D, and then you got to do that. It's like you've got to try and emphasise that 2nd fret of the 3rd string. So if you hit when you're playing that first chord, try and just hit maybe the top 3 strings. Then you put your pinky on the 4th fret of the D string, and then you play the D chord full. So it's okay. That's right. So you come out of that, when you come out of that muted bit, let's do it twice, okay? it's as far as we've got. Baby, baby. Okay. Then we play a 3rd fret of the A string and go back to the G chord. Okay. So it goes. You're a top touch baby. Got that ba ba. Okay, got a single note on the C, 3rd fret, 5th string, and then G chord again. Like a snowflake falling, riff. G. My whole heart is melting. That's that bit again. Melting. C note. G. G. C. G. And then it does the riff again. 2nd verse. As the warm sun rises, it's a joy I'm sailing to your soft touch, baby. G, C, G. Okay, and that's your 2 verses, and then we go into the muted bit again, which is the chorus, and you play that twice. Okay, so let's just go through the verse bit again. So coming out of the muted bit on the intro, you go into your D, G, you're a soft touch baby, like a snowflake falling, your whole heart melting. Okay, I missed a C out there, but so it's you're a soft touch baby, like a snowflake falling. My whole heart is melting. Do a pause and then you play the riff again. Verse 2. As the warm sun rises, in the joy I'm sailing, and you're soft touch baby. We're going to this bit again. And into the next verse. Okay, so that's it. That's all I can tell you about it, really. It's just trying to sing it and play it at the same time I find extremely difficult, hence why I didn't sing it to you. Especially the chorus bit, eyes that shine from the depths of your soul. There's some pregnant pauses there. It goes eyes that shine from the last bit's not so bad. Eyes that shine from depth of your soul. That's it. Some of it goes with the notes, but some of it doesn't. Case of practice. Okay, anyway, so I'll just go through it once the whole way through what we've just done. Intro, 2 verses and the chorus. Okay, so here we go. Oh, I just did that wrong. Let's try that one again. So there you have it, mix and match. Okay, thanks very much for watching. Hopefully that will help you play that song, and I'll see you in the next lesson.